guys! Welcome back here in my YouTube channel. So once again, this is PinayOFW here in Hong Kong, your friendly Pinay. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification there so that I can update you for my new upload videos. At kung bago ka sa channel na to, thanks for watching this video. So without further ado, let's go and watch this video. So in today's video, gagawa tayo ng 3 days program. Or, 3 days workout for preparing our ramping or modeling. Kasi, feeling ko tumataba na ako and my problem talaga is my hair. My tummy kasi masyado siyang malaki and ewan ko ba, kasi kain ako ng kain. Pag ganyan siguro pag stress ka talaga. Pag stress ako, pagkain yung yung aking stress reliever, kumbaga. So, in this exercise, meron tayong 3 days exercise na nakuha ko lang siya actually sa Bright Side. So, susundin natin yung program nila in 3 days. So, sa 3 araw na yan, pwede daw siyang gawing umaga at gabi. And, iba-iba ang gagawin nating exercise everyday for only 3 minutes. So, dahil wala ang amo natin, so pwede natin gamitin yung living room para sa sa exercise natin kasi medyo malawak to. And tara, let's go. Magbihis na. Ito pala. So, nakikita nyo ba yan? Ang tummy ko, laki and a lot of stretch marks. So, yan. Malaki. So, paliliitin natin siya within 3 days. So, titingnan natin kung magagawa. So, umpisahan na natin. So, our timer starts now.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Ako. So, meron pa tayo 30 seconds left. So, don't forget to stay. Our timer over. Okay. So, next steps na tayo. Our timer starts now. Actually, ginagawa ko na to siya before, but I'm not really consistent with exercise. So, mga pamandali ang program mo talaga kasi mabilis ako magsawa. 3 minutes only. So, magagawin natin tomorrow again. So, sana, maangkin pa rin natin yung floor dito. Pero, I'm not really sure kung magagawa ko siya bukas ng gabi bago sila umuwi. Sana wala sila dito. And, our day 1! Bye-bye! So, kung bago ka sa channel na to, thanks for watching this video. And, kung may mga katanungan ka na hindi nasagot ng video ito, for more clarifications, suggestions, and some questions, huwag mo kalimutan mag-comment sa baba ko. And kung isa ka sa mga conscious sa katawan mo or medyo nagiging malaki na ang tummy natin, nagiging bloated na, so may this exercise, you can try it also. And pinagpapawisan na ako and for 3 minutes, intense talaga. So, kung may mga kaibigan ka or ikaw mismo, you can share this to them, this video for 3 minutes only. So, napakadali lang. And kung nakatulong ang video na to sa inyo, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so that I can update you for my new upload videos. Once again, this is PinayOFW here in Hong Kong, your friendly Pinay. See you on my next video. Bye! Napagod ako doon ah. So, ganun kaya intense yung exercise.